In today's video, we shall look at the top 25 astronomical events of 2021. So, let's begin. January 10, you see a triple conjunction wherein Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury appear close to each other in the evening sky. January 13, you see the first new moon of 2021 and you can observe faint star clusters and galaxies in the sky on this day. January 24 is set aside for Saturn at solar conjunction, wherein Saturn will pass close to the Sun and will therefore be not observable for weeks to come. January 29 is set aside for Jupiter at solar conjunction, wherein Jupiter will pass close to the Sun and will be unobservable for weeks to come. Again, on Jan 29, the first full moon of 2021 will also be seen, and this is also known as the wolf moon. March 11 is set aside for Neptune at solar conjunction. The planet passes close to the Sun and will therefore not be observable for weeks to come. March 28, we see the super worm moon, and this is the first supermoon of 2021. The moon appears slightly bigger and brighter than usual on this day. On March 29, you see Venus at its brightest, and this is a great chance to see the planet in the evening sky. April 27, you see the super pink moon, and this is the second supermoon of 2021. The April full moon is also called the pink moon. On May 26, you see a total lunar eclipse, and this will mostly be visible from the Americas and Eastern and Southeast Asia. May 26 is also set aside for the super flower moon, and this is the third supermoon of 2021, which is also called the flower moon. An annular solar eclipse is said to happen on June 10, and this will be visible from Canada, Greenland, the US, Europe and Russia. June 24 is set aside for the fourth and the final supermoon of 2021. On July 13, we see a conjunction of Venus and Mars. So Venus on this day will pass at a very close degree to the north of Mars. This pair can be seen in the west at dusk. On August 2nd, Saturn at opposition. Now this means that Saturn will make its closest approach to the Earth on this day, and it is the best time to see the planet. August 19 is set aside for a conjunction of Mars and Mercury. That is, on this day, Mercury will pass at a very close degree against the south of Mars. August 20, Jupiter at opposition. Now this means that on this day, Jupiter will make its closest approach to Earth, and therefore it is the best time to watch this gas giant with the naked eye. On August 22nd, you see the blue moon. That is the only blue moon of 2021. September 14 is set aside for Neptune at opposition. Now this means that on this day, this planet makes its closest approach to the Earth. However, the planet would still not be visible to the naked eye. October 2nd, Andromeda at culmination. Now this is the best time to see the Andromeda galaxy with your naked eyes. 5th November is set aside for Uranus at opposition. Now this means that on this day, Uranus makes its closest approach to the Earth. November 19 is set aside for a partial lunar eclipse, which shall be visible from the Americas, Eastern Asia, Northern Europe and Indonesia. And this is the last lunar eclipse of 2021. December 4th is set aside for a total solar eclipse, which shall be visible over Antarctica, the South Atlantic Ocean and parts of South Africa. And the eclipse is said to last over 4 hours and will be the final eclipse of 2021. On December 7th, you see Venus at its brightest. That is, Venus will dazzle in the west after sunset. December 19 is the last full moon of 2021. The moon reaches its full phase for the last time in 2021. So with this, we come to the end of the top 25 astronomical events of 2021. Don't forget to comment below and let me know which is that astronomical event that you are eagerly looking forward to. And thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves and bye-bye.